I heard you ask for Flexa, but I can't find that.
This is a test of the National Weather Service's NOAA Weather Radio broadcast from Flagstaff, Arizona. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted between the hours of 10 a.m. at Noon Mountain Standard Time. If there is a threat of severe weather, this test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of the impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of, or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Maricopa and northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device.